Welcome to Bristlecone Shooting, Training, and Retail Center, where our goal is to provide you with an extraordinary recreational experience in a safe environment. We have a large retail selection where you will find everything from handguns, rifles, and shotguns to accessories and ammunition, all geared towards personal and home defense, as well as recreational shooting. At Bristlecone, we have 2 full-time on-site gunsmiths that perform a wide variety of services and modification options. Our virtual shooting simulator with over 600 law enforcement grade scenarios and a large selection of entertainment options is great for private parties and events. Our range is comprised of 14 climate-controlled lanes, 8 of which are tactical and 6 are pistol only. With state-of-the-art ventilation, you're sure to have a comfortable shooting experience. We have 2 dedicated classrooms at Bristlecone, as well as a wide variety of instructors and classes available. At Bristlecone, we are open to the public, but also offer the widest array of memberships, options, and benefits in the Denver area. Come check us out at 12105 West Cedar Drive in Lakewood, near the corner of Alameda and Union. Our phone number is 303-985-0989. We hope to see you soon.